G'day, Lou from Elgas here. Today I'm going to talk about business owners and what you're doing with all that spare time you've probably got because of this virus. Well, a couple of things that are probably pretty key is that, first one is that you need to focus on the basics of your business. So a good opportunity to look at some of your costs, some of your structure around processes and things like that, and modify and improve while you've got an opportunity to. The second thing is that whenever there's a major event like this virus, is that there'll be a change in the economy. There'll be a move in demand for certain products, either up or down. So what you should be doing is planning around what might happen with your business so far as the demand for products, and also what the supply chain might now look like. We've heard from the federal government that there's going to be a boost to manufacturing in Australia. So what does that mean? So the second part is really summarised in look for the opportunities out there because there's plenty of them. Thanks very much.